Welcome back. So in this video, we are continuing with our lead code problems, top 50 lead code problems. So let's see where we reach. So we actually solved some of the problems here. So we need to, so where we reach exactly. So average time of process per machine, employee bonus, I guess employee bonus is completed. Yeah, employee ID and bonus, and we need to choose less than 1000. That's already completed. So we are going back to the other one, the next one. So student and examination. Students is the primary key. Column with the unique value for this table. Student ID, student name. Then each row of this table contain the ID and the name of the students in the school. School students subject name is the primary key, and for this table each row of this table contain the name of the subject in the school. Okay, then examination, that's another one. There is no primary key for this table. It may contain duplicates. Each student from the student table take every course from the subject table. Each row of this table indicates the student with student ID attend the exam of subject name. Write a solution to find the number of times each student attended each exam. Return the result ordered by student ID and subject name. So there is a ordering required. So the result format is in the following. Example. So we have student table, student ID, student name. There is four students here, and subject math, physics, programming, and examination. Student ID, subject name. For examination table, student ID maths, student ID one physics, and the so these are the examinations that student attended. So basically what we need is all the student, all the subjects. Math exam 3 times, the physics exam 2 times, and the programming exam 1 time. So we need all the tables, and it's sorted in student ID and another one, student ID and subject name. So we can go to the solution. So before I am taking that solution, let me start my MySQL. So if it is starting without any issues, we are ready to go. Okay, so here here we have. So we can go to the solution right now. So student ID, student names, student subject, left join, continuing exam in attendance, order by clause. There is a lot of things to do in this one. If I am going through the solution one by one, step by step process, that's probably the best option for understanding and other things. So let's take the schema. That's our next step. Oh, why the semicolon is missing on this one? Okay, anyway, I need to copy all of the rows, all of the create tables. So data manipulation language, data selection language. So DDL and DML, data definition language and data manipulation language. Okay, so here I am putting in this way the semicolon on every rows of SQL statement. Okay, then right now tedious task. Okay, so here we are running that one. It's fine. Maybe it truncates students. That's also fine. We will insert the value. That also fine. And I am again truncating the subject table. And right now I am inserting subjects. Then examination. We are running this one. So everything is fine. Until now we are fine. And right now we can see students, subjects, and examination. These are the three things: students and subjects. Probably we can join from there. So if I would say select student ID, let me check one thing. MySQL workbench autocomplete. Okay, how to enable autocomplete in MySQL workbench? Edit preference. So I need to go here. Edit. Where is my preference? I am not seeing any preference. So I am in file format, beautify. Okay, I am not seeing anything. So you can check. There will be a settings. Okay, maybe here query editor use uppercase command type object editor default water. Okay, there is nothing I can see here, but based on there, head to the MySQL workbench, edit preference. Probably I need to be in this edit window and then edit preference. I am not seeing any edit preference here. Probably somewhere around here. I don't know. There's nothing I am seeing right now. So what I can do is using my control plus space, control plus space. There is nothing. So control plus space. Yeah, right now, I know something is coming up. Let's see. So what we need exactly right now, we need to type something, right? So select students ID, student name, left join from students, cross join subjects. Students are a table to ensure that all combination of students and subjects are considered. Okay, so first we will use a cross join. That's the first thing we are going to do. So I would make select from students, students. Yes, cross join subjects. Okay, this is the first step we are going to do. So I'm running that. We can see. Okay, before we are going there, we need to individual rows. Then we can find the difference. So here, just copy this one. So we can save some time. Then just remove this one. So we are having Alice, Bob, June, and Alex, who are the students. Then I'm going to run this maths and physics programming. If I am doing the cross join, I can have all the possibilities between these two tables. Okay, so that's we did, and we are going to the next one. Next, perform a left join with the examination table. So, what exactly in examination table? So that also we need to find out. Examinations. That's the way it's set up. So I am running examination. So we can see student ID, and student ID is here and subject name is in. So these are the examination tables. There is student ID and subject. That's it. And here what we have different subject. So this table has nothing to do actually. So what exactly we need from the question? So here, write a solution to find the number of times each student attended each exam. So from the examination table, we are going back to MySQL workbench. Examination table, what we have? Examination table, student, subject name, math, student first attend physics, student first attends programming. So our question is to find, write a solution to find the number of times each student attend each exam. Okay. So in this case, I can see the student ID first attends maths in 2 times. So what we need to return in the result should return attended exam. So they need only these things: student ID and this one, subject name, and how many times the person attended. So basically, it's like a group I will work. Yeah, group I will work, I guess. So first you need to join. Since the examination table you have only the student ID, you should start from the examination ID, examination table. You just join into the student table, and then you can you can take the count and display. So student name, subject name, how many times? So group I will group by student ID, student name, subject name, and then the attended exam, then the total count. So that's the way you can solve this. Let me check there is any good solution, because this solution a little bit complicated in my sense, because this doesn't make any sense for me. I'm doing a cross join, right? There is a lot of solution that's available. So, but most of them prefer this one. So they cross join to the subjects. Student cross join subject. Then left join examination. On student, student ID, examination, student ID. And subject, subject name. Group by 1, 2, 3. Okay. So group by 123, order by student ID. So basically, left join examination on. So these things are a little bit complicated for me. So I guess let me find out there is any good solution besides these cross join things. Otherwise we will go to that one because the only problem is okay. I guess that's the only thing we have. So probably we will continue our discussion. Okay. So you did the cross join. The problem, the task is to retrieve a result table containing the student ID, student name, subject name, and the count. That I already mentioned. Then we start by joining the student and subject table to ensure that all combinations of student and subject are considered. This is achieved using cross join. Why we are doing so? There is a possibility of zero attended exam, so that's also need to be in our result. So we need that. Then left join with examination. Next we perform a left join with examination table to include the information about the exam attended by the student. The condition for the join is the both student ID and subject. That's basically an easy thing. So some of the stuff that right now I will directly copying. I don't want to type because the autocomplete is not working for me. So examination, and I will change this into this one. Examination, I will keep like examinations, and this one I have an extra semicolon. So on the this way I make sure everything is okay. So what exactly happening on this statement? So before that, just make it as format beautify query. Okay. So select all from student size, cross join, subjects, left join, examination on student ID, examination, student ID, subject, subject name, examination, subject name. Okay. So everything is fine right now. We capture all students and subject even if there is no corresponding exam records. So for making it zero. Okay, so we are done there. We use count function to determine the number of times each student attended each exam. So right now the real things are coming. So you need the count examination student ID as attended exam from this table. So I am just making this thing. Okay. Oh, that's subject. Subject, how I do subject. Subject, maybe if we can use the SB or something. No, I am fine with the subject itself. So we can use subject here. Okay, subject name, the examination, student ID, as examination. So these things will work. Let's see. Now each row student name, subject, and the name of these things, but it will not working right. So it's saying like error integrated query with group by. So you need to put group by close, otherwise this will complain, right? So the group by is fine. Group by is fine because we know how the group by will look like. So okay, I will make it into the next line so everyone can see this. These two are students. These are, so right now everything works fine. 1, 2, 3, 1, and it's sorted in. It's not sorted in what we require, right? So the next thing, so after the group by, you need to sort. So I guess these things are very easy, but it's a time consuming one. That's the only thing. First, I make the cross join because I need zero result. So that's a little bit understanding. Then the other things are as usual things. We are not doing any complicated things here. We need group by that we know. We need order by that we know. We need a left join that we need that we know. So here subject name. So since subject name is coming from here, I need to replace s dot subject with the subject name. So right now everything is perfect, and we got the result and we got everything. So here, as usual, I'm going back to my code. I am going back to run this. Let's see what's going to happen. Wait and see. Okay, success. We are done with this problem. So in next video, we are going to some other problem. But for now, we are completed this a little bit tricky problem. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.